And I'm going to gymnastics. So I'm going to gymnastics with that. So I have my gymnastics clothes. Cheerleader.
Yeah. And then swimming later.
Yeah.
But you come back home after gymnastics. Yeah. You look gorgeous. You look gorgeous,
You
girl.
look like I have
Super
lip.
good.
It looks like I have lipstick on.
I know. Your lips is really beautiful and pinkish. Look, her outfit.
We'll be back when sooner we get back.
Alright, go. Go. Daddy's got your clothes. Come on.
I think she's gonna like that very soon as well, right?
I love you. Enjoy, okay?
Okay.
Ganda ng ate natin. Your shoes? Yep. You went to the toilet already, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, enjoy. Bye, Dada.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, baby. Strawberries, Daddy. Good morning. Happy Sabado. Ako ay nakabihis na. Wala pang alas 9. Ano oras ba mag-open yung Target? Gusto ko pumunta ng Target, guys. Nag-ready ako kanina. Tapos nakita ko na naman yung makeup table ko. Na gusto ko na talaga kasing palitan yung lalagyan ng perfume ko. Kasi kumonti na lang yung perfume ko. So, kailangan ko na i-update siya.
Don't just watch here.
Plus, kukunti pa yun kasi inuubos ko nga yung mga maliit.
Dinosaur.
Do you wanna go to the other lounge?
No,
Target.
The one that's right here.
Mag-open ng alas 9.
The one that's right here.
Ah, here. Why did you turn it off? Kaya lang, hindi ako pwede. Mamayang alas 9, merong pupunta ng bahay. Meron lang akong ipapakoat. Yeah, tapos alas 10 matatapos si Ayla. Darating dito si daddy niya ng mga 10:30. We'll see kung later may time tayo. Depende kay Indy kasi hanggang ngayon tulog pa din. Which one do you wanna watch? Ang dami kong gustong gawin kasi ready na ako eh. Kaya lang iniisip ko, pag ginawa ko siya, kailangan ko siyang tapusin. So gusto ko to siyang tanggalin, guys. Kasi kailangan ko yung ilipat sa taas. Tapos yung plano ko dyan, maglalagay nga ako ng mirror. Di ba nagpunta ako ng Freedom last time? Nagtitingin-tingin ako ng mga mirror. Kaya lang, hindi ko siya mabili agad kasi kailangan kong ipakabit. Gusto nila na magbayad kami na magkabit. And feeling ko kaya ko siya. As long as meron ako nung stud finder, as long as meron ako nung tools, feeling ko kaya ko siyang gawin na ako lang. Kasi inisip ko, kung yan lang ipapagawa ko, babayad ako ng 1 oras talaga dun sa tao. Sayang naman. Naghahanap ako ng iba pang ipapagawa. Parang wala naman na. Yeah, anyway. So, yung plano ko dyan, tatanggalin ko yung dalawa. Ililipat ko yan dun sa taas. Kung nasaan yung frame ni Ayla at saka ni Arlo. Kasi magkaharap yung frame ni Ayla at saka ni Arlo sa labas ng mga kwarto nila. Kaya nga lang, meron na tayong Indy ngayon. Wala na ako mapaglagyan dun sa part na yun. So, gusto ko siyang ilipat sa ibang area ng bahay sa taas. Tapos yung dalawa yung i-replace ko dun sa kung nasaan yung mga baby frames nila. And then dito papalitan ko nga ng malaking mirror. Yun yung plano ko. Yeah. So, I don't know. I'm thinking yung unang gagawin ko is tatanggalin ko to. You know what? No. Hayaan na natin muna yan. You know what? Unahin natin yung box. Tapos, maya na yan. Kasi for sure, mapupuno na tong box eh. Ang dami ko ng mga naitabing ilalagay sa box. Unahin natin yung box, guys. Hindi ko pa kinokontak si kuya yung magpipick up ng box. Kasi nga, natatakot ako baka i-contact ko siya. Tapos makapag-schedule na ako. And then, hindi ko pa siya mapuno. But feeling ko mapupuno ko na siya ngayon. Ang tagal ko na tong nabili tong box na to. Nung napunta tayo kay na Ate Welcome Asia. Kasi nasasayangan ako sa oras. Nakatayo lang ako dun. Tapos na ako mag-breakfast. And si Indy tulog pa. Si Arlo happy naman. Wala akong ginagawa. So naisip ko tuloy lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Gusto ko na siyang gawin lahat ngayon na. Diba? Ito yung unahin natin. Priorities ba? Priorities. Nakabili na din ako ng mga sticky tapes para dito. So yung unang ginagawa dito sa box is i-tape muna siya. Yung sa bottom, i-tape muna. Ayan. So ang dami kong tapes. Ay, 8:59 na. Alas 9 yung sabi ko dun sa mga taong pupunta dito sa bahay. Sana malate sila kasi tulog na tulog pa yung inday ko. So again, yung main purpose nitong balikbayan box is para mapadala ko yung nappies, wipes sa box para pagdating namin dun sa December, nandun na yung mga bouquet na mga gamit ng mga bata. Yun lang naman mainly talaga Tapos yung ibang pasalubong din kasi nakabili na ako ng ibang pasalubong. Yung mga damit, hindi yung mga pagkain. Para sure na yung packing natin pagdating ng December, ano lang, kasyang-kasya sa ating usual na number of luggage.
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay.
Alright, na-secure ko na yung base. And diba sabi ko, sana malate sila. Oo, naman sila. Grabe naman talaga yung universe. 9:13 na. Tulog pa din si Indy at wala pa din sila dito. Oh my goodness. Now that I'm thinking about it, feeling ko, kukulangin yung isang box. Nung una na po problema ako kung paano ko pupunin yung isang box. Tapos nag-declutter kasi ako, diba? So meron akong malalaking dun, bags na puno ng damit na may pagbibigyan na ako. So dalawa yun. And then malaking rice cooker. And then yung mga pasalubong nga, may mga sapatos pa. So kunin ko lang ha. Kailangan dala-dala ko si Indy. Kasi nasa bed ang aking anak. Wala sa kot niya.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Ay, ang bigat. Kailangan ko lagyan ng pangalan yan para diretso nila bigay sa pagbibigyan ko. See, yung dalawa pa lang na yan, it will occupy.
Calm your soul. Hold my hand. Don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts. It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray.
Gumagalaw na yung Inday ko. I-off ko lang yung heater. Ang init. Alright, labas ko lang yung mga nakahanda na ipapadala dun. So, bumili ako nito sa Kmart. Ipapadala ko dun sa bahay. Just chopping boards, guys, na maninipis. Para hindi mahirap i-store. Tapos maganda din pangdala kapag nag-outing. Tsaka may mga floaties dito. Ay, gumagalaw na ang Indy ko. Ayun na. Gising na ang ating Inday. Wait, I'll get Indy. Ay, gusto ko. Sus, kung pwede lang, ipapadala ko lahat ng malalaki kong mga gamit. Where are the guys? Where are the guys? Where are the guys? Look for them. Where are they? Where are they? Nanap kayo. Where are the guys? Where are the guys? Where are they? Can you see them? There they are! There they are! Hello! Good morning! Kuya! Good morning, Kuya! I'm putting that in the box. I'll put Indy in the box, okay? Because she wants to go to the Philippines. Bye, Indy.
Okay.
Okay?
Did you come?
You can come.
Yes.
There you go. Bye, Indy.
Did you
See
come?
you later. Oh my gosh, she wants to go.
Oh, it's too big.
Yeah, we'll put that there later, okay? I need to pack it properly. Oh no! Hello! Oh my gosh, look at Indy. Are you going to the Philippines?
I'm there.
You wanna go there too?
I'm there too.
Okay, wait. Just sit, don't break the bag, okay? Sit with Indy. Bye, guys! Bye, Indy! I'm not coming. Please? Okay. I'll go with you. Where are we going?
We told this.
Huh? Okay, I'll close it. Bye, Indy! She likes it. Yeah, Indy's going.
Mommy.
Oh, do you want me to go inside? I'll go in the plane and you stay there. Is that a good idea?
No.
No. Not a good idea. Sabi ni Indy, kakagising ko lang, Mami, kung ano-anong ginagawa mo sa akin. Hello, beautiful! Aww. Kuya loves you. Okay. Do you want me to close it?
And a back. And a back.
And the back. Oh, wow. Yabang mo, ha? Sige, oh. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tuwang-tuwa naman tong isa. Are you excited, baby? Do you want to travel again? Do you want to travel again, beautiful? Good job, guys. Oh.
You tested.
Huh?
Did you tested this too heavy?
I can't carry it, no. I need a strong boy. Can you carry it for me? Careful.
Yeah.
Oh no, Indy. Oh no, she fell. Oh no. Oh no.
I don't think anymore. I can't get it anymore.
Alright, that's enough. Don't break the bag.
Hello.
Where are you going?
Look at me.
Hello, where are you going?
I'm a baby.
You're not a baby, I know.
Is there any else?
Sure.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome, baby.
I'm a baby.
Oh, you're not a baby. You wanna stay there, Baba? Do you wanna stay there? Sus, kabuyang siya ni mo yung dayo yung mga naghinday. Naghinday lang yan. What do you want? Ang tinitingnan mo? What do you want, Oh, baby. Sarap ng tulog mo, ah. You like sleeping on Mama's bed? You like sleeping on Mama's bed? Can you get her walker, Alo?
Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you, Kuya. Hello! Gusto mo dyan, Baba? Oh my goodness, Indy. Alright, yung mga shoes, ilalagay ko pa ba sa box?
Hey, what is this to do? Mommy, I don't do it too.
Mm-hmm. She's going to the Philippines, yeah. Hello, hello! Oh my gosh, she likes it there. Hmm? No, we're not opening anything, Alo. It goes in the box. All of it goes in the box. So, ikikeep ko yung mga sapatos sa box, but I'll fill it with more stuff para hindi sayang yung space. Like ito for Mama. Lagyan ko na lang ng label. Hmm?
I forgot the box. I forgot the box, Mommy.
Yeah, we'll put it later. Yeah. Hello!
Will I open it now?
Just wait.
We're gonna be okay.
Hey, you like it there? Ayaw na lumabas. You wanna go to the Philippines. Bye-bye. See you later, okay? Yeah. You like it? They're beautiful. You like it there? Bye-bye. Ah, sus. Inday ba yan? Ay, inday ba diday? Inday ba diday? Inday ba diday? Buyag sa mo inday ba diday, uy? Inday ba diday man ka, uy?
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay.
You wanna get up? Ta-da! Oh, beautiful! I love you. You happy? You like going in the box? You do, don't you? Yeah, I know. I know you do. Pa-music man, Inday. Grabe, Inday, ang music man. Siyabato man akong Inday. Grabe ni mo, Inday. Siyabato man, Inday. Ang karago na akong Inday. Siyabato man na. Siyabato na ka, Inday. Siyabato na akong Inday diya. Kasi bato na ka na diha. Yes. Ay, sus, ka-happy. Pagka-happy sa akong hindi nga buyag. I'll get the rice cooker. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Peekaboo. I see you. Alright. So I will keep the rice cooker in the box, but I will fill it with other stuff para hindi sayang yung space sa loob.
If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay.
Guys, update. Malapit na mapuno yung aking box. And look at what I found. I got this big bag na nandun lang pala under the stairs. Hindi na siya magkasya kasi I'm waiting for one more pack of nappies. Pag uwi ni Dan, meron na siyang one pack of nappies para makompleto yung nappies ni Indy. Nandito na din yung mga wipes. So yung mga importante nandito na. Okay na. Kaya lang hindi na ito magkasya itong malaking bag na to. I declutter all the time, right? And kapag nag-declutter ako, nilalagay ko sa mga bags. Tapos kapag napuno na siya, nilalagay ko na siya sa kung saan ko man siya ilagay. Tapos I'll deal with it later. So ito, nilagay ko siya under the stairs kasi pang Pinas to. And I totally forgot about this. Nandito pa yung mga sapatos kasi nga na-declutter ako ng sapatos, diba? So may sapatos dyan sa dulo, pero hindi na siya magkakasya dito, guys. And kapag bumili ako ng isa pang box, parang kukulangin naman na ako na. Yun naman yung problema. Kasi yung ilalagay ko lang dito is yung napi lang eh. And okay na to. So may space pa ako. But the space is not big enough for that. And may pagbibigyan na din ako niyan. Yeah, yan yung mga old clothes ni Arlo na nilalagay ko niya sa bag kasi meron na akong pinagbibigyan ng mga old clothes ni Arlo eh. Ba, yeah, hindi siya kasya. Kapag bumili ako ng isang box, mamumblema na naman ako kung anong ilalagay ko dun para mapuno. So, siguro, kunin ko na lang dito yung, I don't know, baka mapagkasya ko siya. We'll see. Kung tanggalin ko siya sa bag, baka mapagkasya ko pa. No? We will see. Hintayin ko muna yung nappy, kasi yun yung pinaka-importante. And then I will have, yeah, space for those clothes. And shoes. May shoes dyan sa ilalim. Alright. Or baka, meron pa. Actually, kung tutuusin talaga, meron pa akong mailalagay kasi ang dami ko nga nadideclutter. Kaya lang, gusto ko yung ilagay ko sa box, yung may pagbibigyan na ako. Ayokong maglagay sa box ng matatambak lang sa bahay. Alam mo yun? So, kung tutuusin, like, pwede kong ipack yung mga toys na hindi nagamit ng mga bata ay mapupuno yung box nila. But then again, or baka ipadala ko na lang. Meron naman siguro. I don't know. Did you poo? Oh my gosh, you did poo. And I'm touching your poo. Hello guys. Ilagay na lang kita sa box. Kasya ka dun. Mapupuno yun. Do you wanna go in the box? Yes? Do you wanna go in the box? Sus! Smile, smile lang. Smile, smile, ginagmay. Wait, sabi, I'm thinking. Should I add another box? Should I add another box? And give all your toys away? Oh no, can we give away your toys? Not my toys, mommy. Maybe Kuya's toys. And Ate's toys. And Kuya's books. And Ate's books. What do you think? Yeah? Peekaboo! Alright, just wait. Oh no, you made a mess, baby. Okay, guys. This box is full. So I'm closing this box. And I'm still debating if I should buy another box. Because I do have some stuff to put in another box. But I don't have enough stuff. So, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, the important stuff are here. So, hindi ko pa alam. I'm still thinking. But this one needs to be closed no matter what. So, I'll just do that. I'll do just that.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
I saw it.
Up there too.
Oh, really? Where? I saw hi, Alo. Kakarating lang namin, guys. And ang dami na namin ko walang nakita. So far, we saw 4 already. How many have you seen? Oh, there's one eh. Hindi nyo kita to, guys. Ang layo. Ayun. Ang cute. Oh my gosh. Phone yung gamit ko, guys. Kasi alam nyo, dala-dala ko yung camera ko pero walang memory card. Nag-transfer ako ng files kanina, naiwan ko. Kung nag-vlog ako kanina before kami umalis, mapapansin ko yun. Hindi kasi. Naghintay ako na dumating talaga kami dito. Meron akong dalang chocolate. Nilalamig ako ha. Naka-long sleeve na ako. Tapos yung mga bata, nilalamig din. Pero sabi ni Dan, huwag mo na lang masyadong i-drama yung pagkalamig mo. Kasi yung mga bata, baka sobrang lamigin. Hindi kami nagdala ng pangmalamig na suot. Kasi mainit dun sa lugar namin. Malapit lang to sa lugar namin. Ang lamig.
It's kids allowed to go to school.
Yeah, of course.
With elephants.
Just slowly, Ayla. Okay, Ayla. It's spotting Malo. Did you see him?
Yes.
Good job.
In the cave. Mama,
Yeah.
can I go in the cave?
Yeah, we can go in the cave.
Okay, on the way back.
Oh yeah, we can. Maybe there's more kangaroos and koalas there. And then when on the way back, we'll go up to the cave because there's a lot of people at the moment. So later it will not be busy. Oh, how good is that? He's just eating.
He's eating his veggies, guys.
Yeah, look at him. He's eating veggies. Good job, kangaroo.
Daddy. I'm hungry. This is the road.
You're hungry?
You hungry, Alo?
What's wrong?
I tried this. It's not fair.
You can't swim? I said, there's no swimming.
That is nice. Hinihingal kami kasi galing kami sa baba. Galing kami dun. Wait, see? Asa na si Daddy? We went up the stairs para pumunta dito sa cave. Ang ganda dito.
Did you go up the stairs?
Dala-dala ko tang dalawa.
You went down.
Yeah. Daddy went for a walk kasi si Indy patulog na. Good job, guys.
Will you get lost?
No, not at all. We just go back down and then Daddy's just waiting for us down there. Ang ganda sana magpa-picture dyan, oh. Careful, Ayla, ha?
He's up there.
I'll take a photo of you. Baba na kami. Just wait for me, please. Ayan. Ano yan? Matarik? Tama ba yung matarik? Wait for me, Ayla. Wait for me.
Henry.
Go say hi, Ayla.
Hello, Henry.
Ah,
You
diba?
got Daddy's hat?
Pinangalanan niyang Henry ang koala.
Are you having a nice sleep?
Thank you, buddy.
Wake up.
Is he sleeping?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Is it?
The one that
This one is sleeping.
No, no.
Our koala is
Oh,
sleeping.
Daddy's going to carry you.
I got this on anymore.
What's happening?
I can't put this on.
There you go. That's fine. Good job, Ayla. You're helping each other.
He didn't help me there.
Ah, you're helping your brother. Thank you, guys. Alright.
Tell me to get
Uwi lang kami saglit para magbihis. Kasi punta kami kina Auntie Anne's to see the cousins. Have dinner there. Let's go. Nagpalit lang kasi malamig nga.
Is it time to get a long drive?
No, not long at all. Come on. Everyone's ready?
Yeah.
Who's excited to see the cousins?
Ooh.
What are you gonna ask the cousins, guys?
You smelly.
Hi.
No.
No. Say, how's your holiday? Bahay na kami, guys. Ang tagal na naman namin dun. Malapit na mag-9. Pero okay lang, malapit lang yung bahay nila. Nag-ano kami? Nag-Thai food kami. So, in-order ko yung paborito kong barramundi. Kasi doon kami nag-order sa, in-orderan na namin ng Thai food. And pinauwi nila sa amin lahat ng natira. Ayaw ko yung iba. Gusto ko lang ito lang. Yung barramundi na natira at saka yung apple salad. Pero meron pang natira. Ang dami namin in-order. My goodness. Naka 300 kami dun. So, do you wanna keep these? Because I don't...
Thank you.
What is it?
Oh, 6.
Oh. Do you wanna keep these? Because I don't think they're gonna be any good. It's like, yeah.
Oh.
It's like peanut sauce.
You just keep that?
Yeah, I can keep the rice, the dry ones. Yes, yeah. That's good.
Alright, I'll just take the bin at rubbish out then.
Ano ba tayo bukas? Linggo pa pala bukas. Eh, meron din ako ditong ano. Hot chocolate. Gusto kong itry kasi sugar-free siya eh. Yeah. Sugar-free na hot chocolate. Buti hindi ko pa na-order yung ano. Yung gusto ko sanang hot chocolate. Yung sa Great Ocean Road. Hindi ko pa na-order eh. Nasa cart ko na. Hindi ko pa na-check out. Kasi yung sugar. Half ng sugar. String? What do you mean? So, ito hot water lang. Tapos ilagay mo to. Ito yung iniinom nila eh. Masarap naman daw. So, try ko to. Ngayon na, busog na busog ako guys. Ang dami kong kinain. Hugasan ko lang yung mga bote ni Indik si wala nang natira.
The world around could pass us by. A thunderstorm, a lightning strike as we hold each other.